Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the channel. Lot of thanks to my friend Domine for being a one-day model for me. Hope you got the money. So, for this video I took 3 pictures. First,
Never get my 44 up off the dresser. Now I'm never get my 44 up off the dresser. Never get my 44 up off the
second, third. I really like third one, so let me show you how I did. Open Picsart. Go to free to edit. Looking for something special. I like this one. Now use blend. Now erase the outline of the subject to make it look more natural. Now we need to add some glow. We'll use this glow for the light shadow. Now we need some smoke. I'll use this glow to add some drama. Now we'll do some color manipulation. Okay, now it's almost done. Hope you'll like it. Thanks for watching. May God bless you. Keep spreading love. I love you. You love me. Peace out, my friend.
I've lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. I just wanna be the one you love, and with your admission that you feel the same.